Let's practice counting farm animals. 1 cow. 2 farm animals. 3 farm animals. 4 farm animals. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job! Subscribe free for more gentle learning.